अस्सलाम वालेकुम, होप यू विल बी फाइन। आज हम थर्ड ईयर कंप्यूटर के 2017 से लेकर 2022 तक के पेपर के एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। द डैश इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कंट्रोलिंग वेरियस कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशन control unit, a computer program that convert an entire program into machine language is called compiler. Dash is the measurement of things such as fingerprint and retinal scans used for security access biometrics. In a computer, most of the processing takes place in CPU. ROM chip called dash contain permanently written data instruction or information. Memory cache. Optical disk store item by using laser beam. Which of the following does not store data permanently? RAM. Computer have secondary storage device also known as registers. A DVD is an example of solid state storage device. Trackball is a input device. Which of the following are input device? All of these. As compared to command line operation system, GUI operation system is all of the given. A Wi-Fi network uses dash signal to provide high-speed internet connection. Radio, an IP address contain of dash group 4. Dash is a unique number associated with each computer, making it uniquely identifiable amongst all the computers connected to the internet. IP address. What is the value of integer variable x after the statement x equal to 10 multiplied 2 plus 5 is executed? 10 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 20, 20 plus 5, 25 आंसर. Let a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, then the expression a greater than equal to 10 and not b equal to 20 evaluate to a equal to 10, a की वैल्यू 10 है, राइट है. b इक्वल टू 20, ये भी राइट है. तो ट्रू एंड नॉट ऑपरेशन से क्या हो जाएगा? फॉल्स. आंसर क्या है हमारे पास? फॉल्स. Dash variable retain or preserve value even when a procedure end static. You declare a name constant with dash keyword. Constant. Dash function translate a numerical value to a variable. Message. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. The list of forms will display in tree-like structure in dash window.
Form layout window.
Dash event will execute automatically at the activation of the tool. Enabled. Like text box, dash is another tool used for display output the information. Message box. In a list box, dash function is used to insert item to the list.
Add item.
Dash display a list of all form and modules making up your application.
Right option है B. Properties window. Which of the following properties determine the number of element in an array? Right option है D. Number of elements. Dash property designate the text appearing in the form's title bar. Right option है हमारे पास.
Caption. Which of the following is not a mode in which Visual Studio operates? Turbo. You may change a control text property with code. True. Which of the following memory types store instructions that help the computer start up? ROM. Which of the following is not part of CPU? Main memory. In a computer, most of the processing takes place in CPU. Which of the following is the smallest unit of storage? Kilobyte. A dash can perform both input and output function. Microphone. Which of the following is not an output device? Scanner. Light pen and joystick are input device. Dash printer is the cheapest in terms of price and operating cost. Dot matrix printer. Dash is the smallest element in an electrical display. Pixel. Dash consists of the program that control or maintain the operation of the computer and its device. System software. Which of the following is not an operating system? Oracle. DSL stand for Digital Subscriber Link. Dash is the process of transferring document, graphic and other objects from your computer to server on the internet. Uploading. The command of a domain name are separate by
periods.
dash is an agreed upon format for transmitting data between two devices. Protocol. What is the value of an integer variable x after the statement x equal to 4 multiply bracket 6 plus 9 divided by 3 is executed? सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 प्लस 6 9 9 इंटू 4 36 आंसर आ जाएगा हमारे पास. Let a equal to 15, b equal to 20. Then the expression a greater than 15 or not b equal to 20 evaluate to a ग्रेटर नहीं है 15 से बल्कि 15 नहीं है तो ये हो गया फॉल्स और नॉट का ऑपरेशन यूज हो रहा है b इक्वल टू 20 ये राइट है. और के ऑपरेशन में एक ट्रू हो तो सारी वैल्यू ट्रू होती है लेकिन नॉट फंक्शन भी साथ यूज कर रहे हैं तो आंसर हमारे पास क्या आएगा फॉल्स. What is the value of x after the following statement are executed? Dim x as integer equal to 10, x plus equal to 20.
Answer at 30.
Dash is a tool used in form window for grouping. The option button. Groups. Which of the following is not a valid name of a variable in VB? Dash year. An event is an noun. The following method remove an item from a list box. Remove. Dash keyword is used in a permanent declaration to specify the argument is passed by value. Option A right option है. Which of the following properties determine the number of element in an array? Numbers element. Dash combine the feature of text box and list box. Combo box. If no atom is selected in a list box, the selected index equal to 1. You assign an access key to a button through dash property. Access key property. The following type of loop evaluate its test expression after each iteration. Post test. Dash is a command used to come out of the loop. Exist. Dash method erase all items from a list box. Clear. The three major components of CPU are ALU, CPU and register set. CPU execute every instruction by means of small operation known as dash operation. Micro. The dash of the hard disk contain a small program that run when you start a computer. Boot sector. Select the odd one of the following. Android. Which of the following is non-volatile memory? Process register. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. Write operation can be added in EPROM. Register that hosts the current instruction that is to be executed is called instruction register that are a script of black and white parallel and adjacent bar with space which represent a string of character. Barcode. An operating system is an system software. Primary key of a relation consists of two or more attributes is called composite key. The term dash refers to the sharpness or clarity of an image. Resolution. Which of the following is an example of output device? All of these.
Dash server translate the domain name to its associated IP address DNS. Dash are used to identify a user who returned to a website. Cookies. What is the value of integer variable x after the following statement is executed? X equal to 30 divided by 4 mod 2. Right option है A 2. Let a equal to 20, b equal to 10, then the expression a greater than equal to 20 and not b equal to 10 evaluate to false. What is the value of x after the following statement are executed? Dim x as integer equal to 5, x star equal to 2.
x की वैल्यू है 5, 5 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 10 आंसर.
Dash function translate a numerical value to a variable. Option C, well. IDE stand for Integrated Development Environment. Dash is a tool used for both the input and output purpose. Text box. Self-length property is supported by dash control in VB. Text box. Dash statement is used to change the control to specify location without any condition. While the form modulo has the following file extension .frm dash indicate whether a particular condition is on or off. Checkbox. Dash control is used to display text but user cannot change it directly. Label box. Dash is a control relative event. Got focus. Dash combine the feature of the text box and list box. Combo box. Dash variable retain or preserve value even when a procedure ends. Static. In dash scope variable are available only to modulo in which they are declared. Modulo. Which one of the following is not part of CPU? Main memory. Which one of the following is the most powerful type of computer? Super. A machine cycle does not have the following operation. Next. Which one of the following is the slowest memory? Hard disk. Which of the following is not true about operating system? It complicates the computer use. The components of a domain name are separated by periods. A key used for unique identification is called dash key. Primary key. Which one of the following is the processor memory? RAM. When a computer is switched on, the booting process performs power on self-text. Trackball is an input device. Dash pen is a small input device used to select and display objects on screen. Light. The power of transfer file from a computer on the internet to your computer is called uploading. Dash attempt to produce machine that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. Artificial intelligence AI. BIOS stand for option A right है. A computer program that convert a program into machine language is called translator. If x equal 10, y equal false and z equal 20, which statement evaluate as false? Right option है B, y and x equal to 10 और z equal greater than 10. ये true है. False and true क्या हो जाता है हमारे पास false. तो right option है हमारे पास B. What is the value of x after the following statement are execute? इसका राइट ऑप्शन होगा मेरे पास 15. मैं आपके आगे ये मैंने प्रोग्राम भी सॉल्व कर दिया, ये आप देख लें. अगला ऑप्शन हमारे पास विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑपरेटर इज इवेल्युएट फर्स्ट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग एरर? सुपरफिशियल. डैश इज शॉर्टकट की यूज फॉर एजुकेट ऑफ विजुअल बेसिक प्रोग्राम. F5. Dash combine the feature of list box and text box. Combo box. Which of the following is not a virtual basic control variable? The following type of loop evaluate its text expression before each iteration. Right option है B, pretest. Which of the following symbol create an access in text of a menu? Right option है हमारे पास D, ampersand sign. An object is composed of all of the given. A procedure has access to the original argument when it is passed by reference. Dash control is used to provide an identifiable grouping for other control. Frame In dash scope, variables are available only to the module in which they are declared private. Among the event in Visual Basic, the load event is associated with form. SDLI stand for Single Document Interface.
Dash was used in third generation of computer IC integrated circuit. CPU is located in system unit. Barcode reader is an example of dash device. Barcode reader होती है हमारे पास input device. Which one of the following is a fastest memory? Cache memory. Which of the following is not an operating system? Chrome. Ammeter speed is measured in hertz. The amount of data, instruction, and information that can be traveled over a communication channel is sometimes called a bandwidth. A dash is recorded audio stored on a website that can be downloaded to a computer or portable media player. Podcast. Which of the following is not a database tool? Firefox. Which of the following device store instruction that help the computer start up? Hard disks. Which of the following is the extension of notepad.txt? Which device contain a cathode ray tube? Monitor. Which of the following is a storage device? Pen drive. Dash server allow user to upload and or download file. FTP file transfer protocol. Cache memory work between CPU and RAM. Variable name cannot begin with number. Which value for x would make x greater than equal to 5 and x less than equal to 6 true? एंड ऑपरेशन यूज़ हो रहा है अगर हम 565.5 पुट करके देखें तो तीनों दफ़ा ट्रू वैल्यू आ रही है तो आंसर होगा ऑल ऑफ द गिवन. What is the value of integer variable x after the following statement is executed? X equal to 5 plus 4 मल्टीप्लाई 3 की पावर 2. 3 की पावर 2 9. 9 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 36. 36 को 5 में ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर हमारे पास आएगा 41. What is the value of y after the following statement are executed? Dim xy as integer, x equal to 5, 5 equal to 1. Loop लग रहा है आगे while x greater than 1. y plus equal to x यानी y की वैल्यू में x प्लस करना है. x माइनस इक्वल टू 1 यानी हर दफ़ा x की वैल्यू में हमने 1 माइनस कर. एंड वाइल ये प्रोग्राम मैं आपको सॉल्व करके समझा देती हूँ कि क्या आंसर आएगा. अब हमें क्या गिवन था वाइल एक्स ग्रेटर देन 1. ठीक है ये हमारे पास क्या कंडीशन. तो फर्स्ट टाइम जब लूप चलेगा एक्स की वैल्यू क्या 5 5 बड़ा है 1 से. ठीक है ये कंडीशन क्या होगी हमारे पास ट्रू होगी. अब वाई में हमने प्रेस करनी है एक्स की वैल्यू. एक्स की वैल्यू मेरे पास 5 है वाई की वैल्यू 1 है. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे वाई की वैल्यू न्यू वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी मेरे पास 6. अब x में से माइनस करना है 1. x की पहले वैल्यू थी 5 5 में से 1 माइनस किया 4. अगेन लूप चलेगा. अब 4 बड़ा है 1 से x की वैल्यू क्या 4 4 बड़ा है 1 से राइट कंडीशन है. अब y की वैल्यू क्या थी 6 और x की वैल्यू क्या है 4. 6 प्लस 4 मेरे पास y की न्यू वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 10. अब 4 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे 3. x की न्यू वैल्यू हो जाएगी मेरे पास 3. तो अभी भी 3 बड़ा है 1 से अगेन लूप चलेगा. तो y की वैल्यू है 10 x की वैल्यू 3 ऐड करेंगे दोनों को तो y की न्यू वैल्यू आ जाएगी 13. 3 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे x की न्यू वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारे पास 2. अगेन लूप चलेगा. अभी भी x की वैल्यू 1 से बड़ी है यानी x की वैल्यू 2 है. तो y की वैल्यू क्या थी 13. x की वैल्यू है 2. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे y की वैल्यू आ गई 15. अब x में से 1 माइनस कर देंगे x की वैल्यू आ गई 1. अब जब अगेन लूप चलेगा तो कंडीशन चेक करेंगे. x की वैल्यू क्या है 1 1 ग्रेटर देन 1 फॉल्स हो गया है तो एंड हो जाएगा लूप यहाँ पर एंड हो जाएगा और y की फाइनल वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगी 15. तो राइट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास 15. The window in which the individual document are displayed is called child. When the user click a button, dash is triggered. An event. Which of the following operator is evaluate first? Not. The list of form will display in tree-like structure in dash window. Form layout dash combine the feature of text box and list box combo box. An input box return the value entered by user as string. Which method will return the number of element in an array length? An object is composed of all of the given. Dash variables retain or preserve the value even when a procedure ends. Static variable dash control is used to provide an identifiable grouping for other control. Frame among the event in VB, the load event is associated with form. Dash is a type of non-volatile memory that can be erased electronically and rewritten. इसका right option है flash memory. Which of the following is not a permanent data storage? RAM. A dash is a collection of data organized in a manner that allow access, retrieval, and use of the data. Database. A dash keyboard has a design that reduces the risks of wrist and hand injuries. Ergonomic keyboard. In the machine cycle step refer to the process of translating instruction into signal the computer can execute. Decoding. Each of the following is a popular type of mobile device except mainframes. Dash refer to the activity of using link to explore the web. Surfing dash is an electrical disturbance that can degrade network communication. Noise. A dash is a small text file that a web server store on a user computer. Cookie. BIOS is used by operating system. Dash is a communication channel between CPU and other component of a computer. Bus. The dash define display width relative to its length. Aspect ratio. Dash combine text space link with graphic, audio, and video link. Hypermedia. All of the following are strength of database approach except less complexity. The dash is the core of an operating system that manage memory and device, maintain computer clock, start application, and assign the computer resources. Kernel. What is the value of x after the following statement are execute? अब प्रोग्राम में x की वैल्यू हमें 1 गिवन है फॉर y इक्वल टू 1 to 15 स्टेप 3. फर्स्ट टाइम y की वैल्यू जब लूप चलेगा 1 होगी, सेकंड टाइम 3 स्टेप ऐड करेंगे तो y की वैल्यू 4 होगी. ये प्रोग्राम मैं आपको सॉल्व करके बताती हूँ कि क्या आंसर आएगा. फर्स्ट टाइम जब लूप चलेगा x की वैल्यू भी 1 है, y की वैल्यू भी 1 है, ऐड करेंगे दोनों को तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2. सेकंड टाइम जब लूप चलेगा y की वैल्यू पहले 1 थी, 3 ऐड करेंगे अब y की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 4 और x की वैल्यू क्या आई थी हमारे पास 2. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे अब x की न्यू वैल्यू क्या आ गई 6. अब y की वैल्यू 4 थी, 3 ऐड करेंगे तो y की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 7. जब x में 6 प्लस 7 करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी, x की न्यू वैल्यू आ गई 13. y की ओल्ड वैल्यू थी 7, 3 ऐड करेंगे अगेन तो y की वैल्यू हो जाएगी मेरे पास 10. दोनों वैल्यू को ऐड करेंगे x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 23. अगेन जब लूप चलेगा y की वैल्यू 10 थी, 3 ऐड करेंगे y की वैल्यू 13, x की वैल्यू 23 थी, ऐड करेंगे 36 आंसर. और y की वैल्यू में अगर हम 3 और ऐड करें तो 16 आ जाता है, वो रेंज से बाहर हो जाता है तो 36 तक ही आंसर होगा हमारा. तो आंसर हमारे पास क्या 36. विथ x इक्वल टू ट्रू, y इक्वल टू फॉल एंड z इक्वल टू ट्रू. विच स्टेटमेंट इवेलुएट एज फॉल्स. एंड ऑपरेशन में क्या होता है कि अगर एक वैल्यू ट्रू हो एक फॉल्स हो तो आंसर हमारे पास आता है फॉल्स. इसी तरह और में अगर एक वैल्यू ट्रू हो एक वैल्यू फॉल्स हो तो हमारे पास आंसर आता है ट्रू. और में ट्रू आता है एंड में फॉल्स आता है. इवेलुएट करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा हमारे पास बी वाला फॉल्स आएगा. कैसे x और z, x क्या है ट्रू और z मेरे पास ट्रू है, दोनों ट्रू है तो आंसर होगा ट्रू. y मेरे पास क्या है फॉल्स, फॉल्स एंड ट्रू. तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, फॉल्स। राइट ऑप्शन होगा हमारे पास बी। Which are the standard prefixes for the text box and label control respectively? टेक्स्ट बॉक्स का प्रीफिक्स होता है हमारे पास टी एक्स टी और लेबल का होता है एल बी एल। तो ये कंबाइन ऑप्शन में ये आप ऑप्शन है ही नहीं। तो अगर तो कंबाइन ऑप्शन हो टी एक्स टी एल बी एल तो वो राइट होगा, अदरवाइज बी ऑप्शन राइट है, टी एक्स बी एंड एल बी एल। The operator precedence from highest to lowest is option B. Right option है arithmetic, logical and comparison. Dash function is used to delete all the data item of a list. List clear. An object is composed of all of the given. Which function display a pop-up window? Message box. Is not a type of error programming. Look for superficial. How many ratio button in a group box can be selected at the same time? Only one. Which method will return the number of element in an array length? Which number create an access key in the text of a menu item? Last option ठीक है D. Ampersand. A procedure has access to the original argument when it is passed by value. How many return statements are allowed in a function procedure? There is no limit. How many times the text expression of a select case evaluate? One for each case. And expectation is another name for compiler.